name's Michele Bottari, and I'm originally from Italy, but I've been living in South Carolina for about 21 years.
My name is Pietro Bottari. I'm originally from Florence, Italy. I've lived in Greenville, South Carolina almost my entire life, and my family owns a plastic injection molding business.
So what we do is we do a lot of different products. So we have a lot of different types of molds, and having this machine is going to allow us to really fix small problems that we have for tools that we use almost 24/7. So something that we can't bring to an outsource for someone else to laser weld for us. This is going to allow us to do stuff in-house and be able to fix things and make parts that look very nice and do it efficiently and quickly.
The training was great. Honestly, coming in, I thought it was going to be very difficult. It has been difficult, but at the same time, with the great teacher that we've had, Giles, he's been able to teach us many things, and I've really enjoyed it.
The training has been very nice. Everybody here is very friendly, and Giles, our teacher, is a really good guy. He's doesn't, he doesn't judge you if you come in here at the beginning level. He's very supportive and helps you try to get through it, and he's very good at explaining everything. Yeah, the training was fantastic. I'm sad to leave. I wish it was a couple more days. The area is beautiful here. It's very clean. It's very nice, and yeah.
It was great.